Hi, it's Sandy with another hymn improvising tip for you. This time we're talking about something that you can do with your left hand, something that you can do to fill in some of the lower tones as you're playing your hymn. Now what you can do with this is, for instance, if we were using a C chord, we could take the first note of the C chord, which is a C, and play it. Then we play a fifth higher, we skip the D, E, F, and we play the G. And then we go all the way up and play the note 2 above the C. So we play the C, we play the fifth above it, which in this case is a G. Then we play that middle note of the chord, C, E, G. We take that middle note out, and what we're doing is moving it up an octave. So what we're going to do is play C, play the G, go up to the next E, and then come back down to the G. And just C, G, E, G. So what we've done is we've taken our C major chord, C, E, G, we've taken the E out of the middle and put it up here an octave higher. So we're playing the first note of the chord, the top note, which is a fifth higher, then we're going up and playing note number 10 and coming back down to 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it might be something like this. When I survey the wondrous cross, let's see, this is in the key of F, so we have B flat. So we're going to start with an F major chord, so it might sound something like this. And then we go to a G chord. Back to an F chord. See how that worked there? So you can play the same 3 notes of your chord, for instance, C, E, G, but instead of playing in that order, play the C, G, E higher up, and then go back and forth between that G and the E and fill in. This works really well when you have a measure with one chord in it. Power in the Blood is in the key of B flat. We're going to start on a B flat chord. So I'm going to play the B flat, I'm going to play the F, and then instead of at the top playing a B flat, I'm going to reach up here and I'm going to play the D. So it'll be. Then we have an E flat chord, E flat, B flat, and then we're going to go all the way up here to the G. Okay, so there's another example. Another one would be When I See the Blood. Let's see, we're in the key of C here, so we're going to be using our C major chord. So we're going to do the C, the G, the E. So let's see here. Then we go to an F chord, so F, C, A, back to C chord. Okay. And you just repeat this as many times as you have beats that you want to keep it going. So if you only have 2 beats, it's just 1 and 2, and if you have a whole measure, you might want to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or you might want to do it and then go to something else, okay? Because we always want to add variety to our music. We want to have enough full, rich tones to carry the song and to lead the congregation in their singing, but some of these other fills are just really nice to give us a balance and to give us variety. Okay, this is Sandy at Playforministry. I'll be talking to you later. Bye-bye.